Hello everyone, this is Cook With Me. My name is Cabbage and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I'll be showing you how to make quick and easy meals at home, how to make your everyday basic meals more exciting and healthier, and how to make store-bought items at home. I hope you enjoy being on this channel with me and you get to learn a thing or two. Today we'll be making vegetable pasta and meat sauce. Let's get into it. The ingredients we'll be needing for this meal are red beef, pasta. I'll be using golden penny spaghetti, cabbage, won't be using all of it, spring onions, carrot, green pepper, chili pepper, onion, garlic, seasoning cubes, curry powder, salt, thyme, corn flour, soy sauce, and vegetable oil. First, we'll start by boiling water for the spaghetti. You'll be adding some salt and a little vegetable oil to the water. Once the water has boiled, you add your spaghetti. After about 2 minutes, you're going to need to stir the spaghetti to prevent it from sticking together as it cooks. Just adding vegetable oil won't do the trick, and then you leave it to fully cook. Next, you're going to need to cut your beef into small bite-sized pieces. This is going to help when it's time to cook it because you won't be cooking for so long, so it needs to be in smaller pieces. You should also wash and cut your vegetables so they are ready when it's time to cook, so you don't have to run back and forth and leave one vegetable to overcook because the next one isn't ready. The spaghetti is now fully cooked and now we're just going to strain it. In a clean pot, put your cabbage and carrot and add a little water to steam it. This is just to help soften it a little bit. Once it has softened to your desired texture, take it out. Clean out your pot and pour in some vegetable oil. When it heats up, pour in your spring onions and let it fry for about 1 minute. Now pour in your steamed cabbage and carrot and mix it all together.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he described.
Now I'll be adding seasoning cube for some taste.
It's something that moves.
Now add your strained spaghetti, mix it all together, and your pasta is ready. Great thing about the cabbage is because of the color, it doesn't even look like you have so much vegetables in your pasta. Onto the beef sauce. I'm going to start by adding seasoning cubes and soy sauce to the beef and mixing it all together.
So then, why?
In a pot, pour in some vegetable oil and let it heat up. Pour in your beef and stir it around as it fries till it's dark brown. This foaming may occur if you overcrowded your pot like I did mine. Just give it a little while and it will settle and continue to fry.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he described by creating an imaginary picture.
Once your beef is done frying, take it out. It should look like this. In the same oil you used in frying your beef, pour in your onions and garlic and let it fry for about 2 minutes. If the oil you used in frying your beef was a lot, you might need to reduce it before pouring in the onions. Now add the green pepper and chili pepper and let it fry for another 2 minutes. Throw in your fried beef and mix it all together. Now add some water to the mix. The amount of water you add now will determine the amount of sauce you're going to have. Add some seasoning cubes, thyme, curry powder and salt and do a taste check. To make the thickener, I'll be using 2.5 spoons of corn flour and 4 spoons of water. Mix it properly until the corn flour has dissolved. If you're making a larger batch of sauce, you might need to make more thickener. To my thickener, I'll be adding 1 spoon of soy sauce. Now just add the thickener to the sauce, stir it and leave it to cook for about 4 minutes.
By creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
And there you have it. The beef sauce is ready. See how easy it was to make? Please, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.